Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my TopBox Prive Box for February 2018. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just stick around. Okay, so just in case you guys don't know, TopBox is a Canadian beauty subscription box, and it comes to like $13.56, I believe, is withdrawn from your account every month, which I think is very reasonable, especially some months you get some really amazing things. It's mostly samples, but you do get, randomly, you do get like one full size and the rest are samples. So you get 4 to 5 samples of beauty products every month. It comes in a bubble pack like this. And normally I get mine packaged in a drawstring type bag, but this month they gave it to me in this canister, which you can get every month in a canister if you wish. But this is what it looks like. And as you can see by the container, everything in this container contains Nude by Nature. Now, the Prive box is usually the only one that comes with all the same products if you do get a Prive box. I requested it and I was one of the lucky ones that did get the Prive box. And then inside are all the products. I'll show you what I got. I actually took some of the packaging, the cardboard packaging, off of the products already. So this one right here, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this is a powder foundation, and as you can see it says Nude by Nature on the lid. Absolutely beautiful packaging. It's plastic, but it is very attractive looking. I will be posting the prices of each product on the bottom of the screen for you. So this is the powder foundation. The next thing in the box is a translucent setting powder. Same packaging. Very pretty, very attractive looking. So let me just shake the rest of the stuff out here. So the next thing in the canister is this Perfecting Primer. I tested these products out earlier, by the way, and I will be posting a video tomorrow as to what I thought of all the products. This next little item right here is a concealer, and they call this a Perfecting Concealer. And last but not least, this is actually my favorite item in the whole package. This is a brush. I'll take it out of the package so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. It's got a really short, chubby little handle on it. It's not really super short. You can wrap your whole hand around it, so it's not that small. And this is super, super soft. I think I'm actually going to start using this to set my face. So yeah, as you can see, I put all the prices of all the products on the bottom of the screen. That was the contents of my top box this month. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.